Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. What we're doing today is chicken breast. We are grilling the chicken breast. Actually, I made up this recipe from went for holiday in Tenerife, and my kids went to the restaurant. My kids had chicken breast and they really liked it. So barbecue chicken breast. So when we came back, I said, okay, let me try and replicate that meal for them. So this is what I do for them, and I want to show everybody how you do it. It's quite very simple. What you have to do, first of all, you add a bit of salt. I've washed the chicken breast nicely with vinegar and water. If you don't wash your chicken breast, people don't wash the chicken anyway, so it's okay not to wash it, but I wash mine. What I normally do is I add a little bit of salt. I don't want it to be not salty. And then the dry ingredients I have some ginger. This is ginger powder, and then we have onion powder, and then we have some garlic powder as well. And then we have some white pepper. It tastes really nice afterwards. And then some black pepper as well. Right. And then this is the spice that I do. What this one is made up of is some thyme, rosemary, star anise, some cloves, and some dried mixed spice. So I add them together and blend them because I like using them a lot. It gives a really good taste to most of my meat that I marinate. So this is the spice. And then what I do next is I try and wrap them around on it. Okay. Mind you, I have put a bit of oil in the baking tray before I put the chicken breast in it, so it's a bit of oil in it. So try and put a bit of oil in it before, so that it won't stick onto it. So the next bit, to bring that barbecue taste, what I use is this one. I normally buy it in Asda, as you can see. Really, it's smoky barbecue marinade sauce. So this is what I use. I add just about 3 or 4 tablespoons to the chicken. Make sure you put it all around it, and then all around it. Okay, you can add a bit more if you want it to be more barbecuey. So as you can see, I've spread a lot of it on it. So the next bit I have to do is I cover it up with tin foil, and then I put it in the oven at 225 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 1 hour. So keep on checking. I turn it halfway through, and then after about 50 to 1 hour, I take it out. We'll be ready. Right guys, I can see this is the chicken breast. It's really nice and succulent. I normally have it with salad, or if you want to have a bit of carbohydrate, you can have a bit of roast potatoes with it. It's very nice, and it's quite quick to do it in an hour. If you come back from work and you just put it in the oven, and then you can wait for an hour, and then your food will be ready, your dinner will be ready. So please subscribe to this channel, and please put on your post notifications so that when I put on a new video, you'll be able to see it. Thank you for watching.